Hello, in this lesson, we are going to look at brainstorming and reverse brainstorming. Brainstorming is the simple process of identifying a problem and then looking at possible solutions to solve that problem. Now, let's give you a few guidelines to help you conduct a productive brainstorming session. Firstly, work in a team. You're going to need a range of perspectives and ideas and people who see things from different angles. Then, once you have all of your solutions in front of you, you need to prioritize and refine. That means choosing the best solution to solve your problem and then discussing it in detail. Then you need to create an action plan to implement the solution. That means including concrete steps that will ensure the solution solves the problem. To reverse brainstorm, you follow the same first step of identifying the problem. And we'll use this example here that customers are leaving the restaurant unhappy with the speed of the service provided. Then what you need to do is you need to reverse the problem. So instead of thinking about how to solve the problem, ask how you could cause it. So in this example, you'll ask, how can we make the service slower? And this shift in perspective, which is looking at the negatives before the positives, will often reveal issues that are not immediately apparent. So, some examples might be take longer to greet the customers at the door, take longer to clear tables and bring the bill, slow down the food cooking process. So, you can see here from these examples, we are trying to see how we can make the service slower. And then you'd simply transfer the negative ideas into positive solutions. So instead of taking longer to greet customers at the door, you'd assign additional staff to greet customers immediately upon arrival, and so on. And don't forget to follow the same procedure as you would in a normal brainstorming session, which is to prioritize and refine. So you review the list of reverse solutions to see which are more effective, and then prioritize them based on their potential impact. And then also create an action plan so you can choose the best solutions and develop a clear plan to implement them. Why don't you have a go yourself? Think about a problem or a challenge that you faced recently that could be at school or at work or in everyday life, and sit with a friend or colleague and brainstorm ideas, or you can reverse brainstorm to find solutions.